Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can record yourself presenting a slideshow in PowerPoint, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I have a blank PowerPoint presentation. I'll just add a couple of more blank slides just so that it is a bit of a different presentation so that you can see me switching slides, and I'll add text boxes in separate parts just so that you can see that I am actually changing slides. Just wait a second while I move these around and insert them in different locations. And yeah, now that I have done this, I will show you how you can record your slideshow. Now, if I go to the slideshow here and go to the first slide, if I go into slideshow, you will see that you have a record slideshow option. Now, this will probably look different to you if you have a newer version than me. I have version 2010, and here you can start recording your actual slideshow. Now, in 2010, you can only record the slideshow. There are sadly no options to record voice or camera. However, you can very easily record yourself with a face cam if you have a newer version. You just click here, and once you click on record slideshow, it'll give you a setup window similar to this, except it'll be more complicated. It'll be over your entire screen, and you'll be able to set up your microphone, your webcam, and then you can enable them and start recording. Now, once you set everything up, and just click the recording button, which will be one giant red button, which is just the standard record icon, you just click start recording, and then you can start recording your slideshow. Now, as you can see, in my case, the timer in the top left is going, and if I just click over the slideshow and change slides, as you can see, the slides are changing position, or the text rather is, and as you can see, these two times are different. These are the times of the actual slideshow, or how long you are on a singular slideshow or on a singular slide, and it changes every time, but this one here should stay the same. And yeah, that's pretty much how you record your slideshow. As you can see, now it is done, and if I go and I press play right here, it will start presenting the slide, and I could change the slide like this, but you can also export it as a video as well. But yeah, make sure you turn on your microphone and camera if you want to have audio and video in your newer version, and you can very easily record it using the same method. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.